If you want to create a subdomain in GoDaddy, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to set up a subdomain quickly and correctly, even if you've never done it before. A subdomain is great for creating things like a blog, store, support page, or a separate section of your website, all without buying a completely new domain. This is a simple process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click and what to enter inside GoDaddy. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Use the login details connected to the domain you want to work with. Once you're inside your account, look for My Products and click on it. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your domains, hosting plans, and website tools in one place. Now scroll down to the Web Hosting section. If your website is hosted there, you'll see a Manage button next to it. Click Manage to open your hosting dashboard. From there, you'll need to access your hosting control panel, so click cPanel Admin. cPanel is where you can manage many technical parts of your hosting account, including domains and subdomains. Once cPanel opens, look for the Domain section. This is the area where you can add and organize domain-related settings. Click on Domains, and then choose Create a New Domain. Even though it says Create a New Domain, this is the option you use to add a subdomain under your main domain. Next, type the subdomain name you want to create. For example, if you want blog.yourdomain.com, you would enter blog in the name field. Keep in mind that the subdomain name should be simple, easy to remember, and relevant to the purpose of that section of your site. After entering the name, review the details carefully and make sure you're creating it under the correct main domain. This helps avoid mistakes if you manage more than one website in your GoDaddy account. When everything looks good, click Submit. GoDaddy will then create the subdomain for you and connect it inside your hosting account. Once it's done, your new subdomain should be available for use, and you can start uploading content, installing a website, or pointing it to the right folder or page depending on your setup. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and refresh the page. Sometimes hosting changes can take a short time to appear. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a subdomain in GoDaddy. This is one of those small website tasks that can save you a lot of time and make your site much more flexible. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step website and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.